We have 4 functions on non-negative real numbers, and we must decide which statement is true. Let us solve step by step. Differentiate psi2. Its derivative is exactly 2 times psi1 minus 1, so this is the key link. Since psi2 at 0 is 0, the mean value theorem on the interval from 0 to any positive input gives a beta strictly between 0 and that input. Substituting the derivative relation gives exactly option C. For option A, after using evenness and the substitution t equals u square in the second integral, the sum simplifies to 1 minus e power minus input square. At root log 3, the value is 2 by 3, not 1 by 3. For option B, the required alpha would be less than 1 for every positive input. So it cannot lie between 1 and the input. For option D, the derivative of f becomes negative after 1. Hence f decreases on part of the interval from 0 to 3 by 2, so it is not increasing there. Therefore only option C is true. Keep practicing with Acharya for more clear step-by-step solutions.